What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best soldering irons. Having the best soldering iron for electronics makes a world of difference to both professionals and hobbyists alike. There are a lot of products available to choose to soldering irons, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best soldering irons product from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. ANBES soldering iron. I always use the ANBES soldering iron when needing electronic repairs on the fly. Compared to other soldering irons, the compact design of this unit makes it perfect for those grab-and-go projects. It takes up little space alongside the other tools I typically carry in my bag. This particular soldering iron is a pleasure to work with. It has efficient temperature management and heat dissipation, allowing shorter cool downs and constant temperature settings. Add to that, the screw thread of the solder head and the handle are heat resistant, making for a more durable unit. Its two-color temperature dial is suited for quick selection of temperature. The green index corresponds to 200 to 300 degrees Celsius, which works best for low-temperature solder. The red index ranges from 350 to 450 degrees Celsius, ideal for harder solder material. Additionally, the 5 extra soldering tips are perfect for many types of soldering jobs. I can use a broad tip for wider spaced applications, and a pointed tip for precision soldering. Number 2. Plusivo soldering iron. The Plusivo 60W soldering iron is a value for money electronic soldering package. I like the extra shrink tubing, which I often use in circuitry projects. The included pen screwdriver with a set of 7 magnetic bits is handy for disassembling and accessing circuit boards. Moreover, the storage bag has a convenient and durable design that is easy to pack and carry around. The soldering tip is protected by a heat-resistant cap that is safe to attach even without waiting for the iron to cool down. This design allows me to easily pack the kit up and store it after work. I don't have to wait 15 to 20 minutes every time I end the day just to ensure that it doesn't damage other tools in my bag. What I especially enjoy about this soldering iron set is the free ebook guide included. It contains essential electrical soldering techniques like making the proper soldering application, dos and don'ts, tip selection. Positive side of this product includes a pen screwdriver set and magnetic bits. Durable and convenient storage bag. Negative side of this product. Top heavy soldering iron stand. Number 3. Q-MING 60W soldering iron. Another portable soldering iron I recommend is the Q-MING soldering iron. With the help of its compact stand, this item is very straightforward to set up without needing tools. We can save space with this device, making it perfect for smaller work tables. I like the positioning and sliding design of the power switch. It is secure and offers just the right amount of resistance to prevent accidental switching. I also like the stainless steel soldering tube that guarantees the durability of this product. The flux paste included in the package is essential for satisfactory soldering results. It removes oxides and impurities from the metal's surface and helps with excellent bond and solder connections. To top it off, this equipment comes with a 2-year guarantee and lifelong customer service. It's great to purchase a unit with such excellent customer support. It just affords users that extra peace of mind. Positive side of this product. Easy setup portable soldering stand. Secure and ergonomic power switch. Durable stainless steel soldering tube. Negative side of this product. No metal wool included. Number 4. HANDSKIT 60W soldering iron. This soldering iron delivers consistent results for all types of electrical work. It's a heavy-duty unit that performs well even under extended periods of operation. This soldering iron is truly built to last and will serve users well for many years. I like how the electrical cord has a high-quality material that prevents damage from heat. Despite its thickness, it is quite pliable, allowing me to adjust the iron effortlessly. Furthermore, the heat and impact-resistant screwed head make the device more durable, allowing it to withstand a minor fall. The 5 soldering iron tip add-ons are of high-quality materials as well. The tips are reliable even after many cycles. Additionally, this soldering tool also includes a handy and well-built temperature dial, providing some decent adjustable temperature control. I am confident in the accuracy of its settings. I have no reason to worry about the knob wearing out or falling off after long-term use. Positive side of this product. Heavy-duty electric soldering iron. Thick yet flexible electrical cord cover can withstand heat. Negative side of this product. The manual was badly translated. Number 5. YIHUA display soldering iron. This YIHUA 926 soldering power station has a more reliable iron holder compared to a standard soldering iron station. I don't need to worry that its stand may fall on my table and cause some damage to my work or injure me. That's because YIHUA made the holder of this soldering pencil attached to the solder itself. The power station also features an auto sleep mode, which shuts the unit off when not in use. I can also change the auto sleep mode to 5, 10, or 30 minutes, allowing it to adjust to my workflow. This feature increases the unit's safety and enables me to save some electricity. I like how heat resistant and flexible the soldering iron cord is. I can move the soldering iron in the direction I need to achieve an excellent result. It also provides some safety for me because the heavy-duty cord can withstand extended use periods without overheating. This digital soldering station is ESD safe and has been approved by several safety groups. The description indicates that this soldering station does not generate electrostatic discharge, harming other electronics. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please daily so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem, please comment below.